Introduction. Hey, connect to world buddies. Today, let's explore the term hillside. It's not just a slope, there's more to this word. Let's venture into the landscapes and contours of a hillside. Meaning. So, hillside refers to the sloping side of a hill or a piece of land that is inclined. It's a terrain feature that often adds character to landscapes and can be home to diverse flora and fauna. Usage. Imagine hiking up a hillside to enjoy panoramic views, or picturing a picturesque village nestled on a gentle hillside. Examples. Think of the beauty of wildflowers covering a hillside in spring, or the charm of houses dotting the hillside with their unique vantage points. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhɪl‌saɪd, a term that evokes images of rolling landscapes and natural beauty, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hillside farming? It's a method where crops are cultivated on the slopes of hills, often using terraces to prevent soil erosion. Conclusion. If the idea of hillside paints a scenic picture in your mind, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more nature-inspired word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.